Hi, this is Betsy, and I'm going to show a pivot table that contains the submarkets and combined statistical areas for all the properties in the storage database. So here is, first of all, here's a list of all the properties. There are 616 properties. And I have the property address, city, state, zip code, and submarket and combined statistical area information for these properties. Anyway, I made a pivot table. Well, first of all, let me say I took all the properties with the submarket information and I deleted duplicate submarkets. So here's a sorted list of all the submarkets, and there are 242 of them. So there were 242. Then I made a pivot table for this information that shows combined. Over here you can see combined statistical area and submarket. Then I've added a filter. So let me show you. For example, the Atlanta combined statistical area includes these different submarkets. Boston is broken down into these submarkets. Here we have Cleveland. The combined statistical area is called this. The main Cuyahoga County, I think, and other counties, probably, I don't know, is this one right here, but the other submarkets in this big area are these. Now, if you want to just see Ohio, I have the state filter up here. So if you click on this drop down, you can select Ohio. And these will be we have 299 properties in the Cleveland, Akron, Canton CSA. 779 properties in Ohio total. Anyway, our report in Apto will be coming soon, but this is a start on getting a handle on how groups are what the groups look like, or submarkets look like per state.